Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And in this video today, I actually want to take out my iPad and kind of really give you some training today. And if you've never made money with Clickbank, if you've never made a Clickbank sale, or you haven't made consistent sales with Clickbank, I want to go ahead and sketch out on my iPad and kind of give you guys some information on what you guys really need to be focused on if you want to make recurring consistent sales with Clickbank. Now, after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and direct you to 4 different training platforms, 4 different affiliate marketing Clickbank products that I found to be the top in the industry in terms of the step-by-step on how to drive traffic, set up marketing campaigns, and make consistent sales with your Clickbank campaigns. And you can basically, I'll talk through each one of those, and then you can basically choose which platform you feel like is going to work best for you, and I'll give you kind of like the benefits of each one. But again, this video is about making money with Clickbank, so make sure you stay to the end of this video because we're going to be giving you a lot of information. Hopefully by the end of this video and by the time you start taking action, you'll be able to unlock those Clickbank commissions for forever. We're starting right now. Alright guys, so if this is the actual first time you actually come to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this whole strategy. Alright guys, so if you really want to make money with Clickbank, there's 4 different components that you're going to need to almost perfect in order to make consistent sales with Clickbank. So the first thing you're going to need is a good source of quality traffic, right? And the next thing you're going to need is some sort of sales funnel, or like a conversion system, I like to call it. And then you need a quality product, which is number 3. And then you need a quality follow-up email campaign, right? So quality email follow-up, right? So those are the 4 different things that you actually need to actually make consistent sales with Clickbank. Now, a lot of you guys are actually watching this video right now. You're saying, duh, John, I know that already. I know all of these things. The problem is you guys think that you're getting quality traffic and you're not. You think that your sales funnel is converting and it's not. You think that you have a quality product and you don't. And then you think that you're following up with your email prospects in a way that they should be followed up with, and you're not doing it the proper way. So getting quality traffic is not just getting any random clicks to your website, right? It has to be people that are super targeted, super interested in the products and the services that you are selling. Hopefully these people have already been kind of warmed up with some sort of pre-content, which kind of goes into having a lead magnet or some video training or an ebook, something to warm them up. Maybe they come from a social media platform, which makes them super warm when they actually hit your actual sales funnel. Now, the thing about having a good quality sales funnel is it can't just be any old opt-in and then, you kind of take them to just kind of a random thank you page. It's not laid out right. It's not aesthetically, appeasing to the prospect. If it looks cheap, if it's not put together properly, it's not going to have the same effect. And it has to be done right. And then there's certain things that needs to be on the sales page in terms of copy. There's certain trigger words or certain power words that get people to take action. All of these things play a part in that lead coming, from, the traffic, whatever source you're using, into your sales funnel, and making it a quality prospects that's going to get to your quality product, right? And going to get them to go ahead and purchase. So now if you do these 2 things correct, that should get them to this quality product. And the quality product also has to do its job as well. It has to have a compelling sales page. It has to have a compelling sales video. It has to have bonuses. It has to be a real good quality, something of value that people will actually learn from and get value from. And a lot of people just get this part wrong. They don't have the right product that they're selling and they get that part wrong. So again, they don't make sales because of that. And then email marketing. I mean, I could do a whole training course around email marketing and the importance of, being able to craft emails that are actually going to get opens and then get clicks. It's very difficult now to do email marketing because there's so much noise in our space. And so it's very difficult for people to even get the opens and get the clicks, which is going to hurt your sales conversions if people don't even see your email. So what I want to do next is I want to give you guys the 4 training platforms that I feel will help you out. These are 4 Clickbank marketing specific training platforms that will actually show you how to do these 4 different things, in totality, for in terms of traffic generation, in terms of setting up campaigns, in terms of picking quality products, and the follow-up email campaigns. These are the best in the business in terms of making money with Clickbank, and I want to review those 4 products with you right now. All right, guys, so let's going to jump right into the 4 different Clickbank affiliate marketing products and training platforms that I feel that it would best interest you to learn from, because I found that all of these programs are going to have some top-notch training in terms of those 4 different things that I laid out for you guys a second ago, in terms of getting traffic, setting up a converting sales funnel, selling high quality products, and then a follow-up email campaign. So the first one that we're going to be looking at is a product called Commission Hero. This product was actually done by the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. He actually generated over $1 million here in January of this year, and it's averaging about $1 million a month in Clickbank. He shows results of that. There's a free webinar training here that you guys can get access to. I'll have links for all of these 4 different products in the description. But this is Commission Hero. And basically what he does in this program is he's using Facebook images, these captivating, eye-catching, very psychological images that he places on Facebook for cheap targeted ads, and he's getting people to click on these images, and then he takes them to simple landing pages and then converts them through that landing page into a Clickbank sales page. And he's got a 3-step system that is absolutely working and going nuts, obviously, because he's a top Clickbank affiliate in the world. So if this is something that interests you in terms of like Facebook marketing, if that interests you, I would definitely check out Commission Hero. And again, I have a link for it in the description. The next one is 12-Minute Affiliate. This is kind of a newer product that's on Clickbank right now. And I've done a couple different videos for the 12-Minute Affiliate. And basically, this is an entire training platform in which the system gives you everything in terms of, capture pages, in terms of emails, in terms of, the actual campaigns that are actually set up. You can even get traffic through this system. You don't really have to do anything but like plug in your affiliate links and tell the system what you want to promote, and then the system kind of just takes over and does everything for you. And if you haven't seen those other videos that I did, I'll leave it in the description below, or I'll place it in the cards here. But this is another system where it basically kind of just does everything for you. It's kind of like a done for you Clickbank marketing system where you get the squeeze pages, the thank you pages, the email follow-ups. You can get the traffic. They have a ton of training and support, Facebook groups, the whole 9. Definitely check it out. I actually spoke to the owner of this particular product today. We actually spoke on the phone, and it's amazing that a lot of newbies are actually making Clickbank sales in the multiple niches that they offer, because they offer different niches: health and fitness, personal development, and make money online. People are making sales in all of these different niches with this platform. So if that's something that interests you, if you hate the techie stuff and you want it kind of like done for you and set up, and you can get it done literally within 12 minutes, I would definitely check out the 12-Minute Affiliate, and definitely check out my review video that kind of breaks down this whole platform. And I actually go in detail and show the inside of the system. So make sure you check that out. So the next training program I want to discuss is the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani, and he is a internet phenomenon. You guys have probably heard of him and his story. I actually did an interview with him on this channel that you guys can kind of check out. But what John did a long time ago is he actually worked for a pay-per-click company that he actually learned how to do Google pay-per-click, and he got really good at pay-per-click that he started doing it for a bunch of clients and making them tons of money. And then he actually started like doing it for himself and selling digital products. So what he teaches in this particular course is how to do pay-per-click and how to even start out getting free money for pay-per-click. So free money for Google and YouTube ads and Bing ads. He shows you all that in the course of how you can actually start out, getting free pay-per-click ads, to get your campaigns up. And he actually kind of just gives you his highest converting campaigns, everything set up. He's an internet millionaire as well. And a lot of people have taken this training platform and made six figures. So definitely check out John Crestani. I'll also leave that interview that I did with him in the description of this video. And last but not least, we have Clickbank University itself. So this is an actual training platform that Clickbank actually puts out itself. And it's a 12-week affiliate training platform that you can actually learn from. And not just for affiliate marketing if you want to be an affiliate. It also has training on vendor marketing. So if you want to be a vendor and create your own product, they have training for you as well. So it's very step-by-step. This is taught by a lot of the Clickbank experts that were affiliates years ago that have made millions of dollars with Clickbank, and they're actually doing all the training. There's webinars, there's add-on trainings, there's a toolkit and a traffic center. They're constantly adding to this platform. And this is actually done by Clickbank. So they invest a lot of time and money and energy into the people that are teaching the product. So this is something I feel like I had to include because you can't go wrong with Clickbank University. So those are actually the four different Clickbank marketing programs and training systems that I think you guys should check out. Basically whatever resonates with you, go through the different webinars, check it out, see what resonates with you, think about what you feel like you could actually do on an ongoing basis, and then just go for it, because these programs will set you on the right path in terms of, getting those four components together and actually generating consistent sales with Clickbank. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy watching this video, and just go and check out these four different products, see what resonates with you. Again, take the time to learn, guys. Take the time to learn what you actually have to do and how to set up Clickbank campaigns the right way the first time, because if you're just kind of playing with it and you're trying to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and you're just trying to pattern what you kind of see on YouTube, you really need to get some step-by-step training, some step-by-step campaigns, and everything kind of laid out for you, because it's going to save you a lot of time and money on the back end, just getting the training up front. And again, a lot of these programs will give you some upfront training without you even have to invest any money. So just check out the links below and let me know if you have any questions. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.